Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you know who it is. Back again with another Hiya Ninja special. Today we got a beautiful car. We got this old school IROC Camaro. We're gonna do the transformation on, man. Check this thing out. It needs a little bit of love, so we'll see what we can do with it, right? Ooh, look at that lackluster finish. Man, we could barely see our reflection in here, okay? Stay tuned. We're gonna get busy. We're gonna give it our special, and stay tuned. Wax into detail. Thanks, guys.